Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'm unboxing the Moto E5 Play on Boost Mobile. Is this really an upgrade from the E4 of last year? Let's unbox it and find out. Okay, so like I say, got the Boost Mobile Moto E5 Play here in hand. Turn the box around here and read out some of the specs. It's got a 5.2-inch HD touchscreen display, splash-proof protection, a 2800 milliamp hour battery, 3G, 4G LTE plus with 2x20 carrier aggregation, and HPUE, a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 16 gigabytes of ROM and 2 gigabytes of RAM with an 8 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Let's just go ahead and rip out the back of this box. Okay, so get the box finally open. Had to destroy the box to even get the box inside out. And they also make the box inside the box a pain to get out as well. So, anyway, here is the Motorola box that was inside the Boost Mobile box. And turn around here, it just says it comes with the E5 Play, battery, charger, USB cable, and guides. Let's go ahead and go through some more tape here. So of course, right up top here is the device. We'll go ahead and pop that out to the side and see what comes in here. So you do get your legal and safety regulatory paperwork that nobody ever reads. Got the battery here, and also have sticking with the micro USB cable there, and as well as your wall adapter there. Let's put all this back up and we will look at the phone. Okay, y'all, so got the phone in the hand now, and honestly it feels just like the E4 from last year, to be honest with you. On the back of it feels the same. Got this little Moto here that's not really a dimple anymore, it's just kind of there. The camera looks a bit different. Camera looks really nice, as you can see that right there. A bit different layout than the E4 of last year. Now on top, you got a 3.5 headset jack, as well as a microphone. On the left side here, you have nothing at all. On the bottom, micro USB charging, as well as a microphone there as well. Now on the right, we have a texturized power button and the volume rocker all in one. And on the back here, like I say, there you go. Now the battery here is 2800 milliamp hour. It's pretty much the same as it was last year on the E4. Try to get that there to focus in, and it's not going to, so take my word for it, it is 2800 milliamp hour. So after popping in the battery, you will see right there is your nano SIM card slot, SD card slot there as well. So nice to have a removable back. Now it does have a 5.2-inch display, up from the 5-inch display on last year's E4. Got that 5 megapixel front facing camera, the receiver, as well as loudspeaker and front flash. It says advanced camera, the battery size, spendable storage, water repellent coating, quad-core processor, and 8.0 Oreo. Let's rip off this bottom protector, and we'll give this phone its first boot up. Alright, so we got Motorola there, powered by Android. So screen looks good. These phones do look good. Like I may mention before, I'm so glad they got rid of that annoying startup on the E4. So yeah, all ready to sign in. I'm going to get it set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, y'all, so we're all set up and ready to go. And one thing that I did notice is this phone does not have a fingerprint scanner like the E4 from last year. No scanner on the back, no on the front. To some it's important, to some it's not. It's just basic, choice. I personally like a fingerprint scanner on my device. This phone here does not have it, so anyway. Let's go ahead and open the phone here. The screen looks really nice and vibrant. It's clear. It gets bright. Now pulling the drop down here, you'll see your basic stuff there. It says Wi-Fi calling. Boost Mobile does not offer Wi-Fi calling as of yet, so this here will not work. You can also edit all of these as well for location, invert colors. You can cast your screen, all that stuff there as well. Let's go into the settings here. Go into a few things. So you have connected devices here, Bluetooth, cast, and printing. You have network and internet. You got batteries now. You got battery saver, on or off. Battery percentage is on. Data brightness, sleep, and all of that. Can't activate because it's not activated right now. Display also has, you got that's a brightness, color mode. Go in here and change it however you want to change it to. Advanced goes into sleep, device rotation, font size, display size, and all that kind of stuff. Storage is 5.17 gigabytes used out of 16, so you got a little over 10 gigabytes free. You can add an SD card, and I believe you can also use adaptable storage as well. Now you got screen security and location. No security other than like pin, pattern, password, stuff like that. And system here shows that it is running 8.0 Oreo. So quick look here into the camera. Now the camera does have an 8 megapixel camera on the rear, can record in full 1080 30 frames per second, and on the front camera here as well, you do got a 5 megapixel camera and can record in full 1080 at 30 frames per second. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing here and look at the Moto E5 Play. Now this phone here cost around $59, picked up at Walmart. However, the G6 Play is $79 at Walmart, and honestly, if you find them both, you can afford a little bit more money. Anyway, this has just been an unboxing and quick look here, though, at the E5 Play. If this was helpful and informative at all, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.